you skip this video, you will miss a game-changing opportunity. For example, you provide cleaning service in New York City, USA, and running ads for your cleaning service to get qualified leads in your targeted location. But if I search from Bangladesh, cleaning service in USA, New York, your ad shows up for me, and if I click on your ads, Google cut your money from your budget. Think about it. I am in Bangladesh and your service is in New York. Definitely, I won't be your customer. That means you are getting unnecessary click from outside your target location. That's increase your ad spend, but you are not getting the expected leads. Let's see why this is happening and how we can fix it. Navigate to the Google Ads account, then move on campaigns, click on campaigns, then move on settings and select your campaign. Scroll a bit and location, click on drop down menu, then move on location option. You selected this option. That's why I am seeing your ads even though I am not in your target location, because I should interest in that place. You just need to select this option, then save. These settings takes just a few seconds, but it's one of the most powerful and effective tools in Google Ads. Alhamdulillah, our problem is solved. Are you not getting the result that you expected from your Google Ads? Please DM me. I would be happy to help you.